Okay, let's get started. This won't take long. At the lower left bottom edge of the driver's side dash is the vehicle's OBD2 diagnostic port. Right up behind it, plugged into the rear of it, is the vehicle's gateway connector. Gain access to the rear of the OBD2 port and unplug the vehicle's gateway connector, then plug it into the female connector from the T-harness. Now replace the vehicle's gateway connector with the gateway plug from the harness. All right, we're already halfway through. Now take the blue plug from the T-harness and plug it into the blue plug on the remote start module. In response, the LED on the module will light up solid red. Now with your eyes on the red LED, press and release your vehicle's push-to-start button one time to turn the ignition on. In response, the LED on the module will flash green a few times, then turn on solid green for a few seconds, and then turn off. After you see the green LED turn off, turn your ignition off. All right, we're ready to test remote start activation. Exit the vehicle, close all the vehicle's doors, and lock the doors with your vehicle's remote. Wait at least 30 seconds, then press the remote's lock button slowly 3 times. After your vehicle remote starts, let it test run for at least a minute. Then press the unlock button on your remote, enter your vehicle, and step on the brake pedal. In response, the engine will shut down. All right, you're all set. Finish up by securing the module and harness up under the dash using the supplied zip ties. Now to preheat or pre-cool the interior by remote start, just set your climate control settings to where you need them when parking the vehicle before you turn the engine off. And the system will automatically turn them on shortly after the next time you remote start your vehicle. Would you like more range than what your factory remotes provide? No problem. You can upgrade this system anytime during or after installation with any of Directed Electronics DS3 or DS4 compatible remote kits. Turn this system into a long-range one-way or two-way confirming remote starter system with keyless entry. Boost this system to activate anywhere from 1/4 to 1 mile away, depending on which remote kit you choose. All right, that about sums it up. If you have any questions, are interested in purchasing this system, or have a different year or model of Ford that you're looking for a remote starter system for, just click any of the links below or leave us a message in the comments section and a technician will reply, usually within 24 hours between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern. And thank you for watching. Motor City Autobahn, your fastest route to remote starter installation.